I don't know why this thing keeps stopping. But basically, this is the longest mukbang I ever seen in my life. I don't know how to combine these videos or why it keeps stopping. But basically, the videos caught these people stealing, possibly. And the other videos that was recorded outside caught the cops being abusive. So I'm thinking that's what the police union representative is going to try to fight, to say that this cop behavior was warranted because these people were thieves. This cop putting a gun in a pregnant mother's face while she got her baby in her hand was warranted because they walked out with a freaking dollar drop, a $1 doll, and some damn panties. And as I was saying at the end, we as people need to just stop doing dumb shit, because had they not walked out with the doll, none of this would have happened. None of this would have came down. They wouldn't have countered the jerk police officer. You know, as I said, the videos don't lie. You know, it showed the little girl walking up to the mother with the doll in her hand, so she knew at some point in the store that she had the doll. Now, did she know? Did she tell the little girl, put the doll back, and then they walked out the store? I don't know. The doll was in a big box, so she couldn't hide it unless she walked out ahead of her kids. And nobody walks out ahead of their kids without turning around to see where they are. It also showed a bulge in the husband's pants. Was that bulge there before? Who knows? But this is the directive that I believe the police, or you already see the narrative being that the video came out showing that they were stealing. So you already know which way this whole situation is heading. And to be quite honest, I don't think, even with all the complaints against this officer, I don't think this officer is going to have any punishment. He's suspended with pay right now. But I sure do hope that that black woman, chief police officer, fire that dude, fire that cop, because he's a loose cannon. He's an abuser, and he don't need to have no type of authoritative job. And he has probably many complaints against him across the board of him being abusive. One of the boys stood up at the meeting and said he was basically very aggressive with him, and he called on 3 occasions to file a complaint, and he was ignored. And he said that in front of all of those people, the police chief and the mayor. What I didn't like was the police chief apologized before the tape was shown of the couple's quote unquote stealing. But when she got in the meeting with over 1,000 people piled up in this church, she said everything starts with the community. And the people started booing. So they already done told you probably where she going with this and where this whole damn on thing is going. Down the toilet. The family is suing the police department for $10 million, which I don't think they're going to get a dime of, because they're going to be labeled as thieves. Just like we want them to look at that tape of what happened outside, they want y'all to also look at that tape from inside the store. And that's that. So I'm going to get out of here and finish eating my food. I hope y'all enjoyed my story. Give y'all something to think about. Leave your comments in the box below. Give me that thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not. And enjoy the rest of your week. Peace.